Hey Quest kiddos, it's Mrs. Smith here, and I am going to do a quick little video to get you guys started on your Google site for your foreign country research project. Okay, so I'm going to pop my screen up here, and what you want to do is you want to open a tab or just open your Google Chrome, either way. And then you are going to go to sites, S-I-T-E-S, .google.com. Sites.google.com. Type that in to your address bar here and hit enter. And this is the screen that you will see. If you haven't logged in to Google before this, it may make you sign in. That's possible. But this is typically the site that you will come to. And then over here on the right side of the screen, you'll see the button that says Create. You want to go ahead and click Create. It doesn't really matter if you choose Classic or New. I typically choose New because I think it has kind of some updated features. So click New Sites or Classic Sites, either way, doesn't matter. And it's going to basically create a brand new Google site for you. All right, so here we go. So here's what it'll look like. I'm going to move myself down here because I want you to be able to see this bar over here on the right side of the screen. The only thing I'm going to teach you today is how to do this big header up at the top. Okay, so let's say that I was doing a research project on, I'm trying to think of a country that you guys didn't do. How about England? I'm going to do England. So you would click right here for your page title, and you can highlight all of that. And then you just type in the name of your country. And you can click off, and it closes that text box. And then up here where it says enter site name, what I want you to put there is I want you to put your name. Okay, good. And a couple of other things that I can show you really quickly in this video. Over here on the right hand side it says themes. When you click on themes, it's going to give you a few different ones. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options. So right now it has simple up here across the top. I can click on one of these colored dots and it will change the color. Okay, maybe I don't like simple, so let's click on Aristotle here and see it's going to change the look of it up there. I can click on a different color again. Let's look at diplomat. There's what that looks like. Again, I can change the color if I want. Vision. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh, that looks very different. Now, just so you know, when you choose one of these themes, it's mostly going to be about where the color shows up with the font, that kind of style. The background image up here across the top we can change, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But let's look at these other two themes so that we can make a decision about which theme we want. I think I like that one. Well, let me think about it. Yeah, I'm going to go with impression. Okay, so there's my theme that I have chosen. Okay, so maybe I don't like this background image. So what I can do is come over here to change image. So I can either upload something by searching for it on the internet, the web, or if I choose select image, that means I already have something saved on my computer that I'm going to use. And no, I'm sorry. I think that's the opposite way. Let me check. Upload means you have something saved on your computer. Yeah, so I don't have anything saved on my computer that I want to use. Sorry, guys. But I do want to select an image. So select an image is going to take me here. So there are some that I could use that are automatically part of the Google site system. But you know, I think that what I want to use is maybe an image of the British flag. So I'm going to do a search right here. And so I'm going to say England and flag. And then I'm going to click the search button. Aha, perfect. So this is what I want to use. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select, and it's going to plug it in for me. Okay, and so then I've changed my background there on my header. Okay, now the other thing that I want to show you is that it saves constantly in your Google Drive. We don't want to publish it just yet. We don't want to publish it until way later when the whole thing is done, but it is saving it in your Google Drive. So if you are ever looking for your Google site, you will go to drive.google.com. and you will have a drive that is just for you. And anything that you do in one of these Google things, it's going to save it for you. See, here it is. It pops up right here. And so I'll always be able to access it right here through my Google Drive. Okay? So those are the short little simple little things that I wanted to show you today. Go ahead and take the time, maybe next week or over the weekend. Go ahead and get this part set up, get your background the way you want it, choose your theme, and then next Friday I will start talking to you about how to add pages to your Google site. Okay? All right, you guys, I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you again next week.